Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy LinkedIn update that's designed to streamline your messaging experience, the Focused Inbox. This feature helps you prioritize important conversations so you can stay on top of your networking and professional communications without getting bogged down. Let's walk through how to find your Focused Messages section on the LinkedIn website. First, fire up your computer and open LinkedIn.com. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu. You should see a row of icons, and we're looking for the messaging icon. It looks like a speech bubble. Go ahead and click on that icon to access your inbox. Once you've clicked the messaging icon, your inbox will appear. Now look for the message section. Here, you'll see your messages categorized into two tabs, Focused and Other. The Focused tab contains messages from people you know, connections, and conversations LinkedIn believes are most relevant to you. This is where messages from your network, important updates, and prioritized communications will appear. The Other tab contains the rest of your conversations. Choose Focus to view the messages that LinkedIn has determined are most important. It's that simple. If you don't see the Focused and Other tabs, don't worry. You might need to turn on the Focused Inbox feature. To do this, click the More icon. It looks like 3 dots at the top of the messaging inbox or messaging conversation window. Select Messaging Settings, then click Update Settings next to Focused Inbox Settings, and then toggle right to turn Focused Inbox on. After this, refresh the page to see the changes. LinkedIn's Focused Inbox uses an AI element to automatically sort your messages by relevance. But you can also move messages between tabs yourself. To do this, click the More icon on the upper right of the message window and select Move to Focused or Move to Other to move a message between tabs. With the Focused Inbox, LinkedIn aims to help you prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring you see the most relevant and personalized messages first. This keeps important communications from getting lost in the shuffle, helping you maintain and build your professional network more efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximize your LinkedIn experience.